Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating and rapidly advancing field in medicine called gene therapy. It's a topic that holds incredible promise for treating diseases, and it's something everyone should know about. What is gene therapy? In simple terms, it's a revolutionary approach that aims to prevent or treat diseases by changing a person's genes. Imagine being able to fix the root cause of a disease rather than just managing the symptoms. Our genes, or the body's instruction manual. To understand gene therapy, let's quickly remember what genes are. Our bodies are made of tiny cells, and inside each cell is our DNA, which contains our genes. Think of genes as the instruction manual for our body. Our body are built using a set of instructions called gene. Imagine your genes are like a huge instruction manual for your body. They tell your cells exactly how to work. When you have a disease, it's often because there's a typo or a missing page in that instruction manual. Gene therapy is the process of trying to fix the typo or replace that missing piece. Why do we need gene therapy? Many diseases, especially rare genetic disorders, happen because of these typos or missing pages in our genes. Lots of serious diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia happen because of these genetic typos. For a long time, doctor could only give medicine to manage the symptoms, but gene therapy gave us the chance to correct the faulty instruction itself, offering much deeper, long-lasting solution. How does gene therapy work? Well, there are a few main ways. The most common technique involves introducing a normal, healthy copy of a gene into the cells of a person who has a defective or missing one. The main approaches: first, replacing a faulty gene with a healthy one. Second, repairing a mutated gene that isn't working correctly. And third, altering the regulation of a particular gene, meaning we can turn it on or off as needed. Gene therapy in action, or treating Duchenne muscular dystrophy or DMD. Let's look at an example. Duchenne muscular dystrophy or DMD is a severe genetic disorder that causes progressive muscle weaknesses. It's caused by a mutation in a gene called dystrophin. Gene therapy is exploring ways to introduce a functional dystrophin gene into the muscles of DMD patients, aiming to restore muscle function and improve their quality of life. This is complex challenge, but the progress is incredibly promising. Beyond genetic diseases, broader applications. While gene therapy is often associated with treating genetic disorders, its potential goes much further. Researchers are exploring its use in treating chronic illnesses, infectious diseases, and even certain types of cancer. By modifying immune cells to fight tumors more effectively, it's a versatile tool with a wide range of potential applications. Ethical considerations are a responsible path forward. Of course, with such powerful technology comes important ethical considerations. Discussions around safety, accessibility, and the long-term effects are crucial. Scientists, ethicists, and policymakers are working together to ensure that gene therapy is developed and used responsibly, always keeping the well-being of patients and society at the forefront. The future of medicine. Gene therapy represents a significant leap forward in medicine. While it's still an evolving field, the breakthroughs are happening rapidly. It offers immense hope for millions of people suffering from diseases that were once considered untreatable. We are truly entering a new era of healing. So, our conclusion: gene therapy gives us hope for a healthier future. Instead of only treating symptoms, it tries to fix the real cause of a disease by correcting our genes. This new method can help many people who suffered from serious illnesses. Even though scientists are still learning and improving it, gene therapy is already showing great results, which, with careful research and responsible use, it can change many lives. Truly, gene therapy is a big step forward in modern medicine. So that's all, everyone, and thank you for watching my video presentation about gene therapy.